Hi again, I'm Forrest, your favorite herbalist. Today, my video is about your body talks, but you just don't listen. Now, what do I mean by the body talks? It's bad enough everything we eat is bad. That's bad enough. It's bad enough that everything we pretty much drink is bad. It's bad enough that we are controlled by our society. Your body warns you when something is wrong. A sneeze means something is wrong. When you sneeze, that's a sign of your body saying, hey, I disagree with whatever you just ate, whatever you just breathed, whatever you just did, I disagree with it. When you get a bump on your skin, that's your body's way of saying, hey, don't eat that sugar, that processed sugar dessert again, because I have to eliminate through the largest eliminative organ, which is the skin. There are so many signs of warning signs that you get from the body. I'm going to name a few. I want you to listen and kind of think how many times your body has warned you that you were doing something that it didn't agree with from just the signs that I'm going to name. Now, there are a lot. I'm going to name some. Constipation. Whatever you ate, your body just warns you, hey, you can't eat that because I can't release it. It's that bad. I said bumps, any and all bumps. Oh, did you know when you get a growth, y'all like to call them beauty marks, but you know those tags and stuff that be growing all over your face and stuff and your hands, and they just grow everywhere, but they look like really weird. They're dark and they're just, that's a warning sign. That is abnormal. That is a skin growth that should not be there. And there's such an easy way to get rid of it. It ain't funny. If you want to know, ask me and I'll tell you. But it's so easy to get rid of. You ain't got to go do surgery or none of that stuff. You ain't got to cut it off. No, there's a better way to get it off. But anyway, headaches is a warning sign your body's talking to you. Swelling is a warning sign your body's talking to you. You know how when your ankle swell because you've been on it or you haven't stretched it forever and that ankle just blow up, it just blow up like a balloon and you be wondering, what did I do? You ate something bad, and as a result of the salt, sodium, whatever it is you ate, that's your warning sign because it wasn't always like that. That's a warning sign. Okay. Cold hands. Now, why everybody else's hands hot and yours is cold? That's a warning sign. All these things are based on our diet and our toxic levels, but more than anything, they're based on our mineral deficiency. That is truly the key, mineral deficiency. Lack of sleep is a warning sign something's wrong with the body. That's the way the body's talking to you. Okay? Uh, uh, Overweight. Now, you can see that one, right? But you still don't, yeah, you still ain't listening. I mean, come on, let's be real. You don't like what you see in the mirror better than anybody else. It's too difficult for you to fix because you're so in your head with, I love me. I don't care what nobody else think. I like the way I look. Oh, check it out. Bam, ashy elbows. That's a warning sign. You know the warning sign is for ashy elbows? Your skin is too dry from the soap you're using. Or when you get out of the shower, moisturize. Because soap is not natural. Wait for it, wait for it. What do you mean? Soap is not natural. Guess what cleans? Water. Mm-hmm. Water cleans. Soap is nothing but a deodorizer. Most people don't even think about stuff like that. But ashy elbows, this is why I put lotion on these jokers, because because these jokers get real dry, boy. I mean, I don't know, it's a black thing, but we get all as you get right on us, we get so dang ashy. You know what I'm saying? But okay, uh, teeth falling out. You know, when your teeth just say, I quit. They just fall out. That's a warning sign. That's a mineral deficiency. That is a warning sign you are deficient in minerals and nutrients. You get so many signs, but you don't even know they're signs because you were never taught that there were signs. In your head, it's just something bad is happening to you, and you just don't know why. But it never occurred to you that the body's actually talking to you. The body talks, but most of us don't listen. I'm guilty of that same thing. I really am. But then I started listening. And so at 57, I got a clean bill of health. I mean, completely clean. I got all the tests done, everything. And it came back nothing is absolutely wrong with me. Nothing. So I ain't tooting my own horn, toot toot. But can you say that? Can you say you have a clean bill of health? Okay, let's get back to the warning signs. Hair falling out is a warning sign. You don't have enough MSM sulfur in your body when your hair falls out. It's a mineral deficiency. It's you're overly toxic with a mineral deficiency. Okay, over acidic, too much acid in your system. It's a warning sign. You know how the stuff just come back up every time you eat, it's just coming all back up. You be burning and shit. You be like, I can't eat nothing. It won't go down. And it just burns on the way back up. You're over toxic. The food is poison. And you have a mineral deficiency and you don't even know what to do about it because you haven't reached out to the right person. I'm not here to bash no doctors, but they're still practicing. And even when they practice, they don't make the practice medicine that they give you. But let's get back on point. I digress. Okay, so acne or aches and pains is a warning sign. When you get an ache and a pain in any part of the body, that's your body saying, hey, what you've been doing, I haven't ever agreed with it, but I don't know how to tell you. And I thought the pain might warn you that there's something wrong. But again, everything I'm saying is a warning sign that the body administers to the individual, hoping that you would hear it and then fix it. Now, how do you fix all these different warning signs that I haven't mentioned? There's only one way to fix a warning sign. You have to address the cause. That's the only way to fix a warning sign. I didn't say address the symptom. Remember, the symptom is the warning sign. You see, something greater is going on when you get the warning sign. But if you don't look for what is causing it or change or stop what is causing that issue, it progresses and gets worse, which leads to more things happening or getting worse within the body. You're already overtoxic, you're being poisoned, and you're mineral deficient. The worst three things that could happen to you are already happening to you right now as I speak, right now as you listen. But it has never occurred to you that you've been warned. It has never occurred to you that you have to fix these things. Would you get in a car with a flat tire and try to drive down the road? What's the warning sign? Oh, ain't no air in the tire? That's the warning sign? Wait a minute. Your body is more important than the car. And when you get the warning signs, you ignore them. The stomach start hurting, it's gurgling. Well, I can't use the bathroom. I'm outside in the streets. And I can't use the bathroom out in these restaurants because, man, they unclean, so I can't use the restroom. Put some dang on toilet paper on the stool and take a dump. You're creating constipation because you don't want to use a restroom in public? I know they're not the cleanest, but that shit is like really letting you know it don't want to be inside of you no more. And you force it to stay because you don't want to release it. No, that's not how you stop constipation. You have to release it in order to stop the constipation. Constipation is a warning sign that you are toxic and you got too much shit in your system. Get it out. Okay, so again, address the cause, not the symptom. www.herbsoftheforest.com, 888-619-4372. Call an herbalist. I'm here to help because I got them herbs. Hit me up.